Last week, a federal class action lawsuit was filed against the state by 10 plaintiff children. Cronkite News reporter Angie Schuster spoke to a lawyer from one of the firms who is representing the children and two families who hope this lawsuit will change the system for better.
The lawsuit filed last week lays out 4 specific issues that these plaintiffs and others in the foster care system have experienced. One of these key issues is a shortage of and inability to access physical, mental, and behavioral health services. A new director takes over the Department of Child Safety and will face the lawsuit filed on behalf of some of the more than 16,000 foster children.
I've seen firsthand the tragic conditions that too many of our most vulnerable children have to suffer in.
Ann Ronan, a staff lawyer from one of the firms representing the plaintiffs, hopes that it will bring about change in the system.
But what we are hoping is that the system will be streamlined so that children, as soon as an issue is identified, can get the services that they need.
Foster families take in children from abusive situations, some with emotional problems of their own. Jennifer Garner stopped taking in foster children after taking in 2 of them and was not able to get them the help that they needed.
And we asked for therapy more than once, many times. And what we were told is that he was on a waiting list and that he was on the waiting list and there was nothing we could do.
Garner's case isn't unique. Cherie Clovitter experienced the failure to provide adequate mental and physical health care firsthand. She herself was a foster child and is now a foster mom trying to help the children in her care.
And she just suddenly began telling me this very explicit story about her birth mom and this man, you know, having sex. And I'm like, this stuff is imprinted in her mind from when she was 2.
Clovitter says that little girl is struggling.
If we could go through, you know, some kind of therapeutic process with her, that she could be healing.
Cherie has adopted 6 children she fostered and has recently had luck with setting up psyche evals for 2 of her current foster children. She hopes that the lawsuit will help create a better system so that her foster girls can get the help they need. Aside from the issue of inadequate mental, physical, and behavioral health care, the lawsuit also charges the state with having a shortage of family foster homes, failing to help families preserve relationships, and failing to investigate reports of a child abuse in the state foster care. Angie Schuster, Cronkite News.